we got the floss bullet. And we have the weapon of choice.
Today we're going to do a video and thumbs up.
Okay, you're the bro. You're the bro.
Give me tissue.
Do it, bro. Do it. Quick. Quick. You ready? Ew. It's so yucky.
It worked.
Oh.
They sound effect there.
Let me see ya.
It was so, I knew it was ready today.
Yeah, when I was touching it, it was just kind of like wobbling back and forth,
You were
hanging by a
messing with
thread.
it before you got back too.
Wow, dude.
Oh.
What do you think about that, Jaden?
The tooth is
I wasn't scared. You did it.
Yeah.
Yucky. Losing teeth is kind of weird. Especially when you do it like this. Do you feel good about that? You okay?
Yeah.
It's not, you know what? It's not bleeding that bad, really.
Yeah, it should stop pretty quick. Give me a
because
big smile.
It was ready to come out. Oh.
Are you playing with Jaden's tooth bullet?
Ew. I wouldn't do that.
I'm proud. And it wasn't really that scary.
That's awesome. I'm proud of you too.